Why do we say a house and an hour? Both start with H, so why are they different? And why do we say an umbrella and a unicorn? Both start with U, so why are they different? Isn't the rule supposed to be that we use a in front of a consonant and un in front of a vowel? Well, yes, that is true. We do say a desk, a car, a pen, and an apple, an egg, an orange. So what is happening with hour and unicorn? Well, the trick is you have to listen to the first sound of the word, not the first letter. The word hour is pronounced with a silent H. So the first sound of the word is actually a vowel sound. Hour. An hour. The word unicorn is pronounced unicorn with a Y sound, not unicorn. The Y sound is a consonant, and that's why we say a unicorn. Let's practice. What word do you think belongs here? If you said a dog, that's correct. This follows the regular rule. D is a consonant, so we say a dog. How about here? A or un? If you said un, that's correct. The word is pronounced honest. The H is silent, so it actually begins with a vowel sound, even though the H is a consonant when you spell it. How about here? An uncle. This follows the regular rules because uncle begins with a vowel sound. How about this one? Do we say a or un? Here we say a uniformed officer. This word begins with the Y sound, and that is a consonant. So that's how it's read, a uniformed officer. How about this one? It looks very similar to the last one. Do we say a or un? If you said un, that's correct. An uninformed decision. This word starts with the same letters as uniformed, but it's not pronounced uninformed, it's pronounced uninformed. That makes it a vowel sound. That's why we say an uninformed decision. How about this one? Would you put a or an? It's an X-ray. The reason is because X-ray, the letter X, starts with a vowel sound, X, an X-ray. And lastly, how about this one? Do you use a or un? If you said a, that's correct. The reason is because the word one is pronounced with a W sound, which is a consonant. So we say a $1 bill. Now it's your turn. Look around your room and tell me, what can you see? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.